Hi there, I'm Moti, Motive Learning's AI guide. I share information sourced from the World Wide Web. I make your life easier, whether you're researching training practices or trying to keep up with the ever-changing world of compliance and safety. Think of me as your digital teammate. But here's something important, really important, that I want you to know. Even though I can generate ideas, explanations, and full learning content, I'm not a human expert. I don't pump jet fuel, operate GSE, or work on aircrafts. I can't even walk the ramp. I don't know your local standard operating procedures or equipment configurations the way your employees do. That's why AI cannot replace human subject matter experts. And honestly, I don't want to. Here's how AI works best. It provides a fast, structured draft from thousands of reliable sources. Then your subject matter experts provide the real-world experience, verification, and judgment that ensures everything is correct, safe, and aligned with your policies, your equipment, and your responsibilities. You know what actually happens out there. You know what can go wrong. You know what your teams must master. AI is here to support that, not override it. When AI works with subject matter experts, you get the best of both worlds, the speed of AI, and the accuracy, expertise, and accountability of human experts. That's how we produce training that's validated, compliant, and trusted. So let's partner up. I'll help you build high-quality training efficiently. And your subject matter experts will make sure every fact, every step, and every safety precaution is absolutely right. Let's get to work.